Only qualified personnel should install Napoleon appliances and accessories. See product manual for details. This video demonstrates the correct installation of glass and charcoal media into a Napoleon Elevation X gas fireplace.
Remove the product from the box and inspect. To remove the safety barrier, lift up and pull towards you gently. Locate, unscrew, and remove the bracket from the bottom of the appliance. Using the door latch tool provided, unlatch the door on the top, bottom, and sides of the appliance. Remove the rear log support by first locating the 4 holes in the support. Using a drill and the 1/4-inch nut driver, remove the screws that secure the support to the appliance. Remove the rear log support and place safely to the side. Locate, then remove the 3 panel support tabs. Set them aside for now. Carefully install the rear decorative panel first. Pivot the bottom of the panel around the burner and then gently lower into the firebox. Install the left side panel by carefully pivoting the panel around the burner. Ensure the metal of the burner does not scratch the paint on the surface of the panel. Then, repeat the process for the right side decorative panel. Take note of the screws at the base of each side of the firebox to further secure the panels in place. Now that the decorative panels are in place, re-secure the 3 panel support tabs at the top of the firebox. Reinstall the rear log support by pivoting it into the firebox. Using the drill and 1/4-inch nut driver, re-secure the rear log support with the 4 screws to the base of the firebox.
Click here to view the Wolf Steel Technical YouTube page. Like and subscribe to our channel to get notifications for new product and troubleshooting videos.